Welcome back to my garage, everyone. This episode I've got something really different. I hope you enjoy it. I've got a not a restoration, but a kind of a makeover of a trash picked chest of drawers. So I picked it up off the side of the street a few weeks back, and I'm getting tired of looking at it in my garage. So let's see if we can do something with the poor thing. Here we go. I picked this little beauty up off the street a few weeks ago, and I'm getting tired of stumbling over it in my garage. So I'm going to finally get around to doing an assessment on it. Sorry about the shaky video, but I'm just now getting to the point where I can work on it. I plan to do a makeover. It's not a good quality piece of furniture, but I think I can make it look decent with some paint and new pulls. Some of the drawers, I believe, need some repair. And hey, she's a real peach, isn't she? Okay, let's get to work. These drawers are not bad quality, actually. Well, I take that back. I think parts of the drawers are solid wood. Parts are just like a fiberboard covered. So, I don't know. Like I said, it's not a high quality piece at all, but it seems to be fairly sturdy. And yeah, that's solid wood there. But the front and the back and the bottom are fiberboard of some kind. The drawer guides are intact on this one anyway. Yeah, let's just leave that out. Alright. Looks like somebody's tried to glue that at one point. This is in need of repair here, I think. Or maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like that. Alright. That piece is missing. Not sure what we'll do about that. This needs to be. That one is at least present. Ooh, that's pretty gnarly looking there. So it looks like we're missing one of these. And I'm not quite sure what to do about that. We'll have to figure something out. These are little guides, I guess. stops. That one's missing. Those two are missing. So, I don't know. I wonder if those are really necessary. All right. The assessment is done. Let's see if we can make a plan of attack. See this tool? I made this once years ago when I was inletting I made a stock, a rifle stock. And I made this tool as a scraper when I was inletting the stock. Made it out of walnut. Still got it. Made a stock for an old Mosin Nagant rifle. Used 7.62 by 54R rimmed ammunition. Good old rifles. Anyway, it's proven pretty handy for this application. There's one in every crowd. Okay, now I am going to have to ponder how to fix this thing. I've got 3 drawer glide thingies, metal ones, and I've got 4 drawers. So that's not quite going to work. This is messed up pretty bad. I think maybe what I'll do is, since these are intact, I'll put the 3 guides that I have on these 3 drawers, since this part is okay. And I'm just going to have to figure out something different on the bottom, because that's trash. I'll just have to figure out something for that. Anyway, I will ponder that for a while and get back on it. Okay, here's the chest after a coat of primer. Looks like I missed a few spots there. Come back and get them later. Just need something for the black paint to adhere to. So now I'll let that dry and either touch up some spots with the primer or may just go right ahead and start in with the black. I hope you enjoyed that cleanup and makeover of that trash-picked chest of drawers. I think it came out pretty well as could be expected for an inexpensive piece of furniture, and not quite sure what I'm going to do with it. We might find a place for it in the house. If not, I'll pass it on maybe to somebody who wants it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and would certainly be appreciative if you would subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. I love to interact with the commenters. So until next time, we'll see you, and thank you very much for watching. See you next time.